What's up, Wayne Barron here with darkeffects.net, and today we're inside of Photoshop and we're going to be creating something like this. What this is I believe it was all from the History Channel. On the lower third they had a really cool effect that I will be trying to recreate later on today in After Effects, and this right here is a little animation, or part of the animation that was inside of the effect which came across the screen. So anyway, let's go ahead and try to create this. And we have got our image canvas size set at 500 width, 800 height. Okay, once you get it there, we're going to choose the pen tool. And what we're going to do is that we're going to start right up here, click on the second square. Now I've got grids showing, so if you don't have grids, you go on View, Show, Grid, and then it would show you your grid so it'll be easier for you to work with. And also, if it gets to where it's a little bit too small for you and you can't really see it, go to Edit, Preferences, Transparency, and whatever that other word is, and I choose a grid size of large, and I've got the grid color set to blue, which makes it to where you can actually see your grid blocks here. And so that's a neat little trick that I just learned about just earlier today. So anyway, let's go ahead and start. We're gonna click right here in the middle, or somewhat in the middle of our right center square. We're going to go down here to the bottom and do the same thing there. Hold down your shift key to make a straight line. And then we are going to go up to about here, right here in this corner. Click. And then go about, let's see here. Right up in there, and then click there. Okay, that gives you your bottom. Now let's do our top, and we're going to click here and hold down shift, click here, and we're going to go up to this one and then click that one, and that right there will give us our top triangle. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to right click while the pen tool is still selected, right click and choose create vector mask, and that right there will create a vector mask for us. Come over here and choose your selection tool and it disappears. Let's drag it down here and create a copy of the layer and hide it. Now with our top layer selected, hit Control Delete, and then it will bring it back into focus for you, and you will be able to move it around. Now the next thing we want to do is that we want to add some color to it. So let's click on our paint bucket and let's go to a black, or not quite a black, but let's do about right up in there, and then click. Next thing, want to right click on our layer, choose blending options, choose bevel, contour, inner, shadow, glow, satin, outer glow, drop shadow. Click OK. Go to File, Save for Web, and view your work. It's really simple and very fast to create this neat little joker that can be used in about anything. I've seen stuff like this used in business logos and so forth. And so, but anyway, hope that y'all enjoyed this quick Photoshop tip, and look forward to doing the After Effects one next. So y'all take care. This is Wayne Barron with darkeffects.net. Y'all have a rockin' rest of the week.